How to use BYBIT? Use $20 coupon on your BYBIT account just from your laptop. For this, what you have to do is simply open the application or website of BYBIT on your browser. And from the browser, as you can see that how you can claim the USDT coupon or 20 USDT coupon. This is the official website and I'm showing you the step. The first is simply click on the register now button and then complete the mandatory options from there. After that, you have to be quick to secure your spot and enjoy a 20 USD coupon. It's first time and first achieve. Now you have to deposit at least $100. They recommend token via one click buy. So then you will get a reward of 20 USD whenever you will complete $1,000 or minimum $500 transaction on this BYBIT account. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel.